Hey guys, tonight on ETV, body camera, Transcend's DrivePro Body Cam 10 unboxing. Hey guys, so I'm unboxing this DrivePro Body 10 camera from Transcend, and we'll have a look at what the size of it is, just how it looks and feels and whatever. So we're just unboxing it quickly. I don't know if I'm going to upload videos of this for now. This is just a quick, just to let you see how the clips and everything works, and the video on these and the sound quality on these are good in any case. So this is a full HD camera, so for on-body footage or whatever, for just evidence and stuff like that, this is the perfect thing. It does have like night mode, a 32 gig memory card inside the box. These infrared LEDs is for the night mode. Yeah, and it is it's a little bit of a tough camera for security people or whatever. So they do say on the box it's water resistant, but I think it'll be good for rain or something like that. Okay, so let's cut open the box. Just got a little bit of tape here. Okay. There's the little box that's inside of the box. Okay, and here's the body cam. So it's not a very big device. It's a bit large, but yeah, for its purpose, I think this is just the correct size. So let's just see how this clips off. Okay, so it's got this little bracket that it comes with. The bracket can be mounted or attached to your belt or shirt or pocket or whatever, and you can do it sideways or straight up, and you are able to twist it so the clip can connect sideways to your clothing or whatever, and then you just adjust the orientation of the camera. So it's got these little just holes for the place where it's connected to, the power button, and this is the snapshot button. So if you're taking video or if it's with you and you just quickly want to take a snapshot or whatever of the situation, you can do that. There's a little security strap or band hole, so I think it will be a good idea to just put a rope or something through there. At the bottom, let's just see how this opens up. Okay, it just pulls out, and there's your little charging port, and the memory card is already in there. Let's have a look how it look. What card is this? This is one of Transcend's 32 gig micro SD cards. So you get that with the device already, so that's cool. Let's put that back. So there's actually a little bit of a seal here. So there is a rubber band. It feels like rubber or sponge or something to keep out the water. So I guess that's how they get it to be a little bit, water resistant. Let's see if it'll switch on. Maybe we should charge it first, so maybe it doesn't come charged out of the box. I'll quickly put it on the charger, and then we'll see. Or maybe before I do that, let's just see what else is in the box. Move that away. So here's a little extra box here with what? Oh, a lot of extra, like, mounting brackets. You've got your little body cam booklet, information pamphlet, extra stuff you can get from Transcend. Yeah, so that's it. Let's have a look at the clips. Oh, this is the charging block. 5 volts, 2 amp, 10 watt charger. This is, I think this is Velcro, or those. Yeah, so this has got tape on the sides, and you can stick it maybe to the back of the camera and to something, or maybe to this bracket. Yeah, you stick it to this bracket, and then you can attach this bracket to whatever you want. And there's your little charging cable. This is just a normal micro USB cable. So I don't know what's the length of this. A good idea, if you use this camera and you need more battery power, I think this thing can go up to 5 hours on battery life, or for recording, is to use this cable maybe with a battery bank. So you can route the cable through your clothing and into a battery bank, and then you'll have a full, full day of recording capability. We are going to use these at a fuel station. So let's get this charged. Okay, so I've plugged in the power. Let's get this quickly plugged in. So it just plugs into this little hole to charge it, and there you go. It shows a little light that it's charging. I'll just check maybe how long it takes. I don't know if this is actually dead flat, or is it just something that out of the box it doesn't switch on by default. So let's leave that to charge, and we'll get back to it. Okay, actually, why do we have to wait? I just said you can plug it into a USB thing or switch it on, or let's remove this little. Okay, so yeah, let's switch it on. It's on, and oh boy. Okay, so this is the first footage this thing is recording. These cameras do not have stabilizer or anything like that, as far as I know. This is just for attaching them to your clothes. And yeah, to be able to record stuff that's happening. So it's not lit up in here that well, so you get an idea of how stuff will look with this thing. I'll do a quick walk outside with it, and then we can see. Okay, it's switched on now. I'm going to attach it to my backpack's strap, and clip it on. Sorry for the noise. I'm just going to close up and get everything ready. So let's quickly move into, just before I do a quick walk, I'm just going to move into a very dark area. So let's just get this infrared to activate. See if that's possible. I am totally blind. I cannot see a thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you're in a place that's actually got no lights. Okay, and the infrared hopefully activated. So let's quickly take a walk outside. I do think the microphones on these are a bit sensitive. So if there's wind and stuff, you're definitely going to have wind noise. So I would put like some kind of a band or a dead cat or something on it. Just some kind of a, I don't know, bit of sponge or wool or something over the microphone. So there you can see, this is how it will look when you wear the camera. And this is the sound quality. Yeah, so as I say, the wind is definitely going to be a problem with these things. It's a windy day, so let's walk into the wind. This is walking into the wind and just turning away from the wind. So it does not have stabilization. I do think this thing can be positioned a little bit better, maybe on your pocket, somewhere else. But yeah, so that gives you an idea of how the quality will be. And but normally you will be standing in front of somebody where this thing is going to be worn. You will be facing the person in front of you and giving them service, and both of you will be heard quite loudly or clearly. So let's yeah, I think that's you can see how the quality of the footage is. So that's the DrivePro 10 Body 10. And how it looks and works, and yeah, hopefully this will help you to decide if you want this or need this in your company or for your work. And I guess this is a fairly priced device, so might be attractive to a lot of people. Thanks for watching.
Tonight on ETV. Hey guys, tonight. Hey guys, tonight on ETV, we're unboxing. Yeah. Hey guys, tonight on ETV.
Hey guys, so yes, actually we are unboxing the body cam camera from DrivePro. I mean, from Transcend. Shit.